In this demo, we will look at the customer experience from Savitar's perspective. Today's broadband access networks are becoming customer experience networks. To create a positive experience for the customer, a company has to understand customer needs and wants at an individual level, react quickly and most times proactively to address them, use analytics to strengthen customer relationships and ROI, identify a two-way messaging mechanism that works with the customer. Savitar enables powerful means to solve customer experience by engaging and aligning all the resources of the company towards one unifying goal: unsurpassed customer experience. As an example, let us look at Joe. Joe is in a cafe in downtown Seattle. It is 5 p.m. Having finished his meetings, he's looking forward to watching the presidential debate at 6 p.m. with his friends at his house. Using Facebook on his iPhone, he sends a message across to his friends. He then tries to catch the pre-debate chatter on CNN Live. Waiting. Frustrated, he looks for a Wi-Fi connection. None are available for his access. Back to browsing, he scans the blogs. According to surveys and research, customers in general perceive slow networks quite frequently and often assign the responsibility to the carriers. Let's understand who Joe is. Joe is a sales manager at Trendsoft. He is a Metro male, 42 years old. He has a circle of friends with whom he wants to watch the presidential debate with over beer. He is connected on social networks. He gets his information from internet support communities. In other words, he's connected. Now, let's deconstruct Joe's network experience of the moment. Joe is trying to access a media stream at the time and place of his choice on his iPhone. He is contracted on a 3G service plan that promised him virtually unlimited data and bandwidth. He has not contacted service support since the first time he enabled his service. On the network, it is the busy hour. Coverage at Joe's location is fair, but signal strength is inadequate for higher data rate. Network load is at its peak usage at this time. 76% of consumers who got poor service according to Forrester research have provided feedback directly to the company through at least one of 5 methods: survey, phone call, email, online chat, or letter. Joe filed a complaint via email. To engage with the customer, this is how we can reconstruct Joe's experience from company's internal data sources. Using Savitar's powerful analysis engine, it is easy to quickly assemble the experience scenarios. First step in stitching experience problem set scenarios is to unify the data sources and later aligning company resources to act on the information. Savitar can connect everyone and everything in your company to align all resources to build a greater customer experience. It is easy to avoid confusion when you can connect and communicate with the latest information on a problem set and its context. All can then productively focus on solving the issue. There are 2 parts to the usage experience. First part is the context of usage, that is, the location, time, device, and application. These actions represent the demand side of the experience equation. Second part is the available information rate, represented by technology coverage and instantaneous capacity to service the request. Savitar's microanalysis capability helps you to carve out an area of interest for faster and deeper analysis. Use the analysis engine to segment the user group like Joe, then easily assemble multidimensional information on the user group. Using this collated source of information generates semantic insights automatically to scope experience problem sets. Savitar then enables rapid prototyping of network to model fixed scenarios in the area of interest, create workflows to implement the changes in the system. It is then easy to create monitors and scoreboards to check not only the performance of the network in the area of interest, but also monitor the user groups like Joe's in near real time as it happens. In the case of Joe, it is clear that service quality can be improved in the area of interest. 3 options have been identified: offload to Wi-Fi with a hotspot in the cafe, create small cell hotspots at the street location, or move Joe to LTE plans. A sales call has been scheduled to encourage Joe to consider the exciting iPhone 5 with LTE support and a 2-year contract that offsets his conversion costs. LTE with its coverage and bandwidth is the right choice for Joe. For the company, moving Joe to LTE offers better lifetime value. There is more. Like Joe is an actively monitored group that is presenting near real-time information on its statistics. The group, like Joe, can dynamically add more users as experience situations and profiles match. Savithar allows such dynamic groups to change on basis of preset rules and triggers. As the monitoring group is active, all information is presented, ready for action based on semantic insights, dashboards, reports, or alerts. Data is pouring in continuously on customer experience from multiple interaction channels acting as touchpoints. IVR, phone, mail, campaigns, social websites, and internal data sources such as from operations. Savithar helps in enhancing customer experience in 4 steps. Timely insight and enabling rapid response by binning solvable experience problem sets as the data keeps coming in. Prioritizing experience problem sets based on risk and return on investment and then facilitating collaborative action to solve them. Calibrating, optimizing resources and spend by creating a holistic picture across all channels for the experience problem set. Tracking and monitoring to measure and report the impact of solution initiatives while learning continuously to get better over time. And even more. Using Savithar & Company's m-commerce website with the secure access on internet, it is easy to stay connected on mobile devices, whether you're an executive on the go or working from home. Ubiquitous availability of information and action enables mobile workforce to perform from wherever they are. Savithar makes it very easy. Everything is connected to systematically solving customer experience problems by engaging and aligning all the resources of the company towards one unifying goal. Unsurpassed customer experience. Savithar is the right solution to construct great user experience on your network. To learn more, please contact Savithar at www.savitharresearchgroup.com.